This week we're giving away one of our Blue Ridge Overland Gear Molly water bottle holders right here. Stay tuned to the end of the episode and figure out how you can win this bag right here.
Hey, welcome back to the Blue Ridge Bonfire, the official show of Blue Ridge Overland Gear. We're all about overcoming those obstacles to getting outside. I'm CT.
I'm Dean.
And it's good to have you guys along, so buckle up, pucker up, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. This week we've got what's new. We've got the BROG Nation update, lots of stuff about pizzas and Hawaiian fruit. We've got the events, we've got the BROG Gear releases, some more photo tips, and we are wrapping it up with that weekly giveaway, so hang in there. Alright, so last week we released a video called Organize It Chevy Colorado Before and After. So in that video we designed some new gear specifically around the Colorado, a new headrest panel, because those headrests are different in the Colorado, and also a console tray, a console organizer. So we're thinking about making those a regular product for us. So we're doing a pre-sale, so you guys can get your hands on some, and we can see if this is something you guys want. So we are going to run that for a week, starting today.
1 week.
And going until next Monday. So you got 6 days.
Tuesday to Monday.
Pre-sale. This is the only time that would definitely you'd be able to get some. So Chevy Colorado owners, check out that link below for Chevy Colorado headrest panels. Stick some Velcro pouches on there, and console organizer trays. Check it out. 6 days only. All right, so that takes us to the BROG Nation updates. Now the results are in. Pineapple and pizza. Do they go together?
Super controversial, by the way.
Yes, dude, it was contested. Very contested. But before we give you the results, we were going to read our favorite comment arguing for and our favorite comment arguing against. So why don't you read that first one?
All right, so best comment in favor of pineapple is by Chicks Do It Too. A pizza without pineapple is just naked, cheesy flatbread sadness. Yes to the pineapple with the little pizza emoji.
Hey.
You want your comment read, be creative, use emojis. We will read it on the podcast. That's how you do it right there. Cheesy flatbread sadness.
And the best comment arguing against pizza and pineapples and pizza going under pineapples and those two things going together. Pizza is a boat for meat, no fruit ever, exclamation point. And that was from Slightly Bearded.
Not me, by the way. I'm fully bearded, as you can see. Like, not slightly bearded, fully bearded. But yeah, so the total against was 14.
Wow.
14 against pineapple on pizza.
All right.
But for the reveal, the winner with 31 votes is pineapple on pizza. Right there. There it is. But, BROG Nation, we're disappointed in you. To be honest, nobody mentioned bacon. Bacon on pineapple. So, bacon, pineapple, pepperoni, pizza. That's the winning combo for us. But disappointed that nobody mentioned bacon. That's sad.
To be fair, our boss, Matt, doesn't really like pineapple on pizza.
We're fine with it, so more for us.
I think that conflict goes everywhere. Some honorable mention on a few more comments.
Sure. There was one that stood out by Fozzie McFozerson. Said pineapple and pepper jack cheese is the only way to live life. Now, neither of us thought about pepper jack cheese on pizza. So we commented back. And supposedly there is a place in Missouri that does pepper jack cheese pizza. So on our way to Overland Expo Mountain West, I think we're going to have to stop for some pepper jack cheese pizza. So Fozzie McFozerson, remember us in August. We'll remember you when we come passing through. Bacon, pineapple, pepper jack cheese pizza It's going to be a thing. We'll make it happen.
One more thing. So, No Mo Ideas requested the vinyl record copy of the show. So, sir, please send us your address so we can get that shipped out to you. All right. So, for those of you who are waiting on orders from us, we hear you. We've had an abundance of orders come in, and then we're also having a few delays getting some material. But the material is in now, and we're making stuff as fast as we can on all those sewing machines through the other wall. Through this wall on the other side. So all those hardworking people.
All day.
All the elves and the squirrels cranking out stuff as fast as they possibly can, and we will get those orders in the mail to you soon.
Yep.
All right, so that wraps up the BROG Nation update, and that takes us to the events. We got a few things coming this month. What do we got?
The end of the month is Georgia Bushcraft 2020. That is March 27th to the 29th. In Watkinsville, Georgia. A little bit further away. We'll have a link down in the bottom for that. And also that weekend, the 27th to the 29th, John Fury with Fury Training Concepts will be here at BROG doing a wilderness first aid class. Again, not too late to sign up. We'll have a link in below. So that'll be a cool class hosted here at BROG. So make sure to check that out.
So for all these events and more, check out the link to our events page in the link in the description.
And if you have an event, make sure you can submit it to us via that calendar, and we'll make sure to get the word out.
Yeah. Leave us a comment down below, and we'll get that added to the calendar. We mentioned on the show, all that jazz. So that wraps up events. That brings us to photography tips of the week. All right, so you have a product, you love it, you want to tell people about it, you want to throw kudos to the people that made it and say, hey, props, this thing is awesome. So this is like how to take useful photos that represent a product or a brand and that type of thing. So that's what these tips are sort of geared towards. Oh, and these tips are for if you're using a cell phone or a DSLR, and we try to keep it universal as far as that goes. So, do show the product in use.
With a context, have some sort of background.
And do show the product in context. Now, I want to talk about this. So by in context, we mean show the product in a location where it's typically used or where it's typically kept and stored and that type of thing. Surround the product with things that are typically put inside it or used with it and that kind of stuff. So for example, a tool bag surrounded by tools, it just goes a long way to making something you can understand it visually really easy, really simply, and that type of thing. And then if it's you can get creative with that and show how you personally use a product and stuff like that. You don't have to because that's a lot of what people are interested in is how you personally are using that gear. So I used to be afraid of these two things because it sounded really too hard. Like, oh, you need to, you're gonna go out, shoot lifestyle photos, and I imagined that I had to get models and stage a whole scene, and it had to be some action shot of some kind. But I eventually learned that you don't have to do all of that. And a lot of times, putting things in context, surrounding it by the stuff that it goes with, even does a better job than like just showing people milling around something or just trying to catch someone in the act of using something. So hopefully that helps. Because I know I was intimidated when I first got into lifestyle photography and stuff like that. So a couple more things. Do shoot photos horizontally. Turn your phone sideways. Goes a long way to that photo being useful if you're going to send it to someone for them to use. Do take your time and experiment. Like 3 banger awesome shots are better than 30 random snapshots. So that's all I've got for photo tips of the week. And that takes us to
Weekly giveaway! Yeah, we're totally not vocally inclined here. Totally off key. We'll have to rehearse
I think that was like epically off key though.
I mean, if you're gonna go off key, just go off all the keys. Like, leave the piano behind. Yeah. So,
winner from last week.
Last week. Let's do last week first.
So last week, we're giving away this Headrest trash bag. So, who do we got? Who's the winner?
Winner is Dad Tazi, aka Tim. So Tim, aka Dad Tazi, make sure you DM us, give us your mailing address. We will send you the trash bag.
Congratulations. Woo!
Woo! Whoa.
Okay. This week, what are we giving away, Dean?
This week, we are giving away one of the Molly water bottle pouches.
Oh, my goodness.
As you can see, it does have Velcro on it for your patch collection. So you got that. This is a 2 squirrel, maybe squirrel and a half bag. So 1 squirrel, 2 squirrels, you know. It also does fit 32 ounce-ish, 36 ounce water bottles. This is mine, so not included. But as you can see, they do slide in really nicely. Drawstring, so you can cinch it up nice and tight.
These are really great on our seat back panels to be able to grab some water while you're going down the road. So if you're wondering how to win this wonderful water bottle pouch, all you gotta do is leave us a comment down below, tag a friend, and tell us your favorite go-to road trip snack.
There was a food theme with us. It's been like soda, pizza. That was my slice.
That's your slice.
You know, road trip snacks. What is your go-to road trip snack? For me, it's like pretzel, M&Ms, beef jerky,
Whoa.
and of course Mountain Dew.
So if you're entering to win, please leave those comments on either Instagram or Facebook, because that's where we can direct message back and forth. Sorry, YouTube, they took away direct messaging back in like 2018 or whatever. So if you like this show, but you don't have time to watch the video, you can check this out on our podcast, the Blue Ridge Bonfire, wherever you guys love to listen. As always, leave us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you.
He's CT. I'm Dean. This is the Squirrel.
And we'll see you next week. Oh, easy.